A DAW, Digital Audio Workstation, is a music production software that is used for recording, editing, arranging, mixing, and even mastering. If you want professional-sounding music, you simply must have a DAW. The ability to multitrack record, cut, and paste audio with the ease of use provided by DAWs has transformed the way composers and engineers think about music. Some DAWs are only compatible with Apple products, while others are compatible with both Apple and Windows. With that said, let's take a look at the best DAWs to use in 2023. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Mixcraft. Mixcraft has been nominated for the Best DAW Software by SOS Awards 2023. Acoustica's Mixcraft is a multi-track recording application with a digital audio workstation interface. It has advanced audio recording, editing, special effects, and burning capabilities. Mixcraft has progressed from a simple starter app to a truly impressive DAW, with features normally associated with more expensive alternatives. Mixcraft has a new interface with detachable panels, new automation features, vocoder tracks, new effects, instruments, and the ability to convert audio to MIDI with a single click. It's a powerful piece of voice recording software. It is a powerful tool because of its advanced recording features such as pitch correction, plugin support, MIDI routing, and native sidechaining. Nonetheless, Mixcraft is excellent audio recording software with a plethora of useful and necessary tools and a sleek, modern interface. Some of the features of Mixcraft are: 1. It has a library of 7,500 loops, samples, and effects. 2. It has a live performance panel for artists who do live looping music. 3. Mixcraft also has its own video editor tool that makes editing simple. Number 2. Ableton Live. Since its initial release in 2001, Ableton Live has become the go-to environment for many musicians looking to create music for live performances. If you're coming from a traditionally designed digital audio workstation, Live's approach to composition and arrangement is certainly unusual. In Live, you can write automation directly to clips rather than track by track. More importantly, there isn't simply audio to MIDI conversion, which is something that other DAWs do to varying degrees. Live includes a plethora of instruments and samples to get you started. Version 11 includes the upright piano, brass quartet, and string quartet, which fill in some gaps in the bundle. Some of the features of Ableton Live are: 1. It has a robust clip-based live performance and composition workflow. 2. You get excellent mood reels and drone lap packs. 3. The navigation inside the DAW is pretty fast and the interface is user-friendly. Number 3. Logic Pro. Apple's Logic Pro has long been a go-to DAW for Mac musicians and producers. The main mix console includes faders, pan controls, and other track controls, as well as many inserts and sends as you require. There are 256 buses available, as well as true stereo panning, which allows you to adjust the individual left and right levels rather than just attenuating the left or right signal. The Remix FX plugin allows you to perform transitions, stutter edits, gates, virtual record scratching, and other small production tricks. Some of the features of Logic Pro are: 1. It comes with effective new Dolby Atmos and Spatial audio tools. 2. You can use a large array of bundled instruments and effects. 3. The interface of the DAW is super easy to navigate around. Number 4. Cubase. Many people will not require separate notation software because Cubase includes enough notation tools. It supports lyrics, drum notes, guitar tabs, and lead sheets in addition to comprehensive symbol support, and it can import and export XML files. Cubase includes a plethora of tools for composing and producing music. Harmony generation and chord track assist you in harmonizing vocals and putting together chord progressions, which some other DAWs have yet to implement effectively. Some of the features of Cubase are: 1. It has a responsive, rock-solid audio engine. 2. Cubase has comprehensive editing and automation support. 3. It comes with a robust instrument and plugin bundle. Number 5. Reaper. Unlike FL Studio, Reaper is designed for simultaneously recording multiple audio channels of live instruments from multiple interface inputs. Recording a 5-piece band is no problem with Reaper if your audio interface has enough microphones and preamps. All of the standard controls for muting, soloing, and panning tracks are available, as well as the ability to group tracks or track parameters together anywhere in the signal chain and implement any complex routing scheme you can think of. Reaper's dedicated online community, combined with all of the features, lack of copy protection, and low entry price, make this program an appealing proposition, especially if you're tired of the bloat from other DAWs or simply want something affordable that realizes your creative vision. Some of the features of Reaper are: 1. It has a multi-channel audio recording, mixing, and mastering at a bargain price. 2. The DAW is fully customizable. 3. The loads and bounces are very fast compared to other DAWs. Number 6. Pro Tools. It's simple to get your head around if you have never worked with Pro Tools before. Avid's audio engine has a 64-bit architecture, a low-latency input buffer, and the ability to dynamically distribute post-processing resources across dozens of plugins. You can type ahead and search for tracks, instruments, and other items, and you can also select multiple items in a menu at the same time. The built-in score editor is directly derived from Cubase, which Avid acquired in 2006, and Pro Tools sessions can be exported as Cubase files. Some of the features of Pro Tools are: 1. It is one of the cleanest audio editing workflows on the planet. 2. It has a fast 64-bit recording and mixing engine. 3. Its high-end hardware and support policies are top tier in the industry. Number 7. GarageBand. Apple's GarageBand is yet another tool designed specifically for Apple users. It is as simple as arming a track and clicking the record icon to begin recording. Only your audio interface limits the number of tracks you can record and mix at the same time. You can easily record and comp multiple takes. You get a nice selection of acoustic and electronic drums, electric and acoustic basses, and a few SYNTH pads, leads, and basses. Some of the features of GarageBand are: 1. It has a streamlined, professional interface. 2. You get updated producer packs. 3. GarageBand also has detailed instrument lessons. Number 8. FL Studio. FL Studio is one of the most popular music production software programs available. Its user interface is completely scalable, even across multiple displays. It also supports multitouch, so you can use it as a live physical mixing board with a touchscreen monitor on a PC and move multiple faders at the same time. Each project functions as a collection of patterns, beginning with pattern 1, which can be found beneath the transport. Its mixing is simple, and channels are automatically assigned as in other DAWs. It now includes a new pitch shifter, a Juno-style vintage chorus effect, and flex and other new tools. Some of the features of FL Studio are: 1. It has brilliant loop and pattern-based MIDI composition tools. 2. FL Studio's visible automation clips are easy to manipulate. 3. You get lifetime free updates which include updated tools, new plugins, and a cool library of sounds. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.